Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki KLX230RS. That means this is the short frame version. It's got a lower seat height, a little easier to get up on it. Keyed start, electric start, beautiful conditions, pro taper handlebars, brand new grips. This bike is very, very lightly used. Come on by and make your dirt bike dreams come true with this beautiful KLX230RS. Only $42.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.